So I'm getting ready to take the YZ out. Let's see if we can get some video. I'll turn the camera on. Oh, there it is. Like the old Super Duty. So the conditions are pretty good right now. The snow is sticky enough that I don't have spikes. Gas on. Choke up. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah, we gotta turn around. Holy fuck! We got Elliot Jordan out here. They've been doing a good job, but yeah, this got a little slicker than I thought it was gonna be. The ruts are what get you, but there's none in my driveway here, so we're good. And there we go. 94 YZ 125.